Good morning students. Welcome you all for online learning session. Today we will start your second lesson of Maths Standard 7. Multiplication and division of integers. Students, you all know what is integers. Integers are the numbers which include positive numbers, negative numbers and zero also. And zero is called what? Origin. So in this lesson we will learn about the what? Multiplication of integers and division of integers. How we will multiply of integers and how we will divide what? Of integers. So before starting this lesson, I am just revising the formula, revising the rule. Which is the rule? See here, you all know what? Plus plus, it will be plus. Means the product of two positive integers is what? Positive integers. And the product of two negative integers is also positive integers. The product of one positive and one negative is a negative. See, one negative or one positive or one positive, one negative is what? Negative integers. Means what? See here. If there is a what? Plus, multiply by plus. So it will be plus. Got it? Minus minus becomes what? Plus. See, similar sign will be positive and the opposite sign will be negative. You can learn it like in this way. So now let's start the lesson. Second lesson, page number 11. See, first here fill in the blanks is given. First one, 5 plus 7. See, 5 plus 7, you all know what? 5 plus 7 is equals to 12. And the second one is what? 10 plus and in bracket minus 5. So plus multiply by minus means what? This is means what? Bracket means it will be multiply the sign. So plus minus, see here I have written plus minus minus. That means 10 plus minus minus 5. So 10 minus 5 is what? 5. See here. Minus 4 plus 3. Minus plus what operation will be? Minus means subtraction. So minus plus minus. I told you opposite sign will be what? Negative. So answer will be in negative. But here is which is the greater number. So 4 is the bigger or greater number. That's why here I have written the minus sign. Got it? So 4 minus 3 is what? 1. Solve it this one. Now see this one. This is the answer and here the number in each bracket what we have to obtain the answer this one. Okay, here are the questions. So first one is what? 4 minus. 4 minus which number? Then we will get 3. So it will be 1. Only 1. And you have to decide plus 1 or minus 1. Understood? 4 minus what? We will take positive 1. That means 4 minus 1 we will get 3. 7 plus in bracket we have to what we have to take? If we take only 4. So it will be what? 7 plus 4 11. So it will not correct. That means we have to take the negative number. So we will subtract the 4 from the 7. Have you understood? अगर बाहर जो है प्लस की साइन है that means you have to take the negative number which is smaller than 7. 7 से छोटा नंबर आपको लेना है. That means you have to minus. आपको उसमें से minus करना है. So here I am taking what? Minus 4. So 7 minus 4 is equals to 3. And the bigger number is what? 7. Got it? If here I am taking 11. So it will be minus 11 because bigger number is what? Minus 3. So bigger number is what? 11. सो वी हैव टू गिव दैट साइन. अगर हम लोग 11 लेते हैं तो हमको उसकी साइन देना पड़ता. 11 minus 7 भी 3 होता. दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू टेक व्हाट, which is number which is less than 7. Got it? Now see this one. 9 minus what we have to take here? Positive or negative? See, if we subtract the 6 from the 9, that we will get 3. So 9 minus 6 is equals to what? 3. Minus 8 is here. Then plus. Here what we have to take? Why should I take 11? Positive 11. So, minus plus what? Minus. That means we have to take positive number because here already minus sign. So, minus plus minus. But which number we will take here? If we take 5. So, it will be what? Minus 3. Got it? Because bigger number is 8. So, that's why we have to take bigger than 8. That means 11. So we will get the positive number because bigger number is 11. See here. Minus 5 minus. So which number we have to take here? Negative number. Why? Because here is already minus minus will be plus. So that's why we have to change that sign and we will take minus 8. See the method. See. If I write minus 5, minus minus will be plus 8. Got it? Then minus plus minus. So 8 minus 5 is what? 3. And the bigger number is 8. That means positive 3. Have you understood? See this one. Minus 6 plus. Which number we have to take over here? 9. Why? Because minus plus minus and the 9 minus 6 is what? We will get 3. Got it? Now let's move on to the problems. Practice set 8. Sorry, before starting the practice set 8, here there is some more questions are there on page number 12. You can see in your textbook on page number 12. So which I have shown you. These are the rules. What? Plus plus plus, minus minus plus, plus minus minus and minus plus minus. When the product of two integers. So the integer is like this. Have you understood? See here. Minus 5 multiplied by minus 3. So first we will multiply the numbers. Okay. So 5 3s are 15. Then how we will decide it will be plus or minus? So again you have to remember the rule. Minus minus plus. Got it? जब हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हम लोग जो है वो उसका बिगर नंबर नहीं देखते. जब प्लस या माइनस करेंगे तभी ही आपको बिगर नंबर देखना है. When you are multiplying the numbers, we will not see the which is number is greater or smaller. Just you have to remember the rule. What? Minus minus plus. If there is minus minus, that means you have to write the answer in positive form. If there is a different sign is there, so you have to write in negative form. Okay. See the second one. 5 2s are 10. Then minus minus plus. 5 1s are 5. First you have to multiply the numbers. सबसे पहले आपको numbers को multiply करना है. Then उनके sign को. So see this one. 5 zeros are 0. But 0 is what? 0 does not have a what? Any sign. 0 की कोई sign नहीं होती. ना plus और ना minus. See, 5 1s are 5. Then here is minus and this one is what? Positive. That means plus. So minus plus minus. 5 2s are 10. Minus plus minus. 5 3s are 15. Minus plus minus. Like this. See this one. You have to complete it. 6 3s are what? Tell me. 18. Then minus minus plus. So don't write it plus because it is understable. This is positive 18. 6 2s are 12. Then minus minus plus. 6 1s are 6. Minus minus plus. 6 zeros are 0. Then 6 1s are 6. Minus plus. Minus plus minus. 6 2 जा 12, माइनस प्लस माइनस, जब माइनस प्लस होगा तो आपको वहां पे साइन डालना है. सी हियर, माइनस माइनस इट विल बी प्लस. सो यहां पर हमने कोई साइन नहीं लिखा, बट हियर देयर इज द ऑपोजिट साइन, दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू राइट द माइनस साइन. 6 3 जा 18, माइनस प्लस माइनस, दैट मीन्स माइनस 18. 6 4 जा 24, माइनस प्लस माइनस. 7 3 जा 21, then minus plus, sorry, minus minus plus. So you have to write it and completed this column. Got it? Now we will start practice set 8. See here, same thing which we have done in this box. This is very, very simple. First question is what? Minus 5 multiply by minus 7. See, practice set 8, first question we have to what? Multiply these numbers. Minus 5 multiply by 7. So first what we have to do? First multiply the numbers. What? 5 7s are 35. Now multiply the sign also. Minus minus plus. So it will be what? 35. Okay. If you want to write plus 35, so you can write. Or you can write only 35 also. Both the answer is correct. अगर आप प्लस 35 लिखोगे तो भी राइट है, और आप सिर्फ 35 लिखोगे तो भी राइट है. अंडरस्टूड? सी द सेकेंड वन. माइनस 9 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6. सी 9 6 जा 54, माइनस प्लस माइनस, अगर माइनस की साइन होगी तो वहां पे लिखना जरूरी है. ओके. नाउ सी द थर्ड वन. 9 मल्टीप्लाई बाय माइनस 4. 9 4 जा 36, माइनस प्लस माइनस, अगर एक तरफ माइनस है दूसरी तरफ नहीं है, दैट मीन्स वो प्लस है. सो माइनस प्लस माइनस. फोर्थ वन. 8 multiply by minus 7. 8 7s are 56, then minus plus minus. Fifth one. Minus 124 multiply by minus 1. 124 ones are 124. आप सबको पता है कि जो नंबर 1 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो वह नंबर वही का वही होगा. सो 124 1 जा 124, देन माइनस माइनस व्हाट? प्लस. सो इट विल बी व्हाट? ओनली यू कैन राइट 124. सिक्स्थ वन. माइनस 12 मल्टीप्लाई बाय माइनस 7. सो 12 7 जा 84, माइनस माइनस plus 84. So you can write 84. Now, see, 7th and 8th is your homework. Okay, most of the questions I have done in this practice set 8. Now, let's move on to the next practice set. So, first write it in your notebook. Practice set 8 which I have done till question number 6. First, second, third, fourth and fifth and sixth. Write it in your notebook. Now, see, before starting that practice set 9, I am showing you, see here, if there is a minus sign in the denominator, if denominator is negative, so how will you divide? If there is a number like this, 7 upon minus 2. So, what you have to do the minus sign in the numerator. Put the minus sign in the numerator like this, minus 7 upon 2. ये मैं आपको बहुत ही इजी स्टेप बता रही हूं कि जब डिनोमिनेटर में माइनस की साइन होगी तो आप उसको न्यूमरेटर में ले लोगे. वाई? इसका जो है वो बहुत ही बड़ा एक्सप्लेनेशन है जिससे आप थोड़े लोग समझ भी जाओगे या कुछ जो है वो कंफ्यूज भी हो सकते हैं. बट आप ये याद रखना, व्हेन you are writing the negative denominator. So what you have to do, you have to put the sign in the numerator. And now I am showing you how. See here in your textbook, see there is a number line, and here are the numbers, what integers are given, and in fraction form. So see here, pairs of opposite numbers are also called pairs of additive inverse numbers. We have seen that -1 multiplied by -1. Just now we did in the previous exercise what? Minus minus will be plus. So -1 multiplied by -1, it will be plus. If the two sides of this equation are divided by -1, अगर हम दोनों जो इक्वेशन के दोनों साइड को जो है वो -1 से डिवाइड करते हैं, देन वी गेट द इक्वेशन व्हाट? -1 is equals to 1 upon -1. See, if I divide the equation of the two sides with -1, that means I will get -1. See, if here I am writing -1 divided by -1, so it will be cut. So what is remaining? Here side is what? -1 and 1 upon -1. Got it? So therefore the quotient of the division is what? 1 upon -1 is equals to -1. That means what? -1 की जगह हम ये लिख सकते हैं, and 1 upon -1 की जगह हम लोग सिर्फ -1 लिख सकते हैं. So hence we see that 6 multiplied by -1 is equals to 6 multiplied by 1 upon -1. See, -1 की जगह यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? 1 upon -1. So 6 ones are 6 and -1. To divide any positive integer by a negative integer. ये जो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, ये जो है ना थोड़ा उसके डीप में एक्सप्लेनेशन है. जो मैंने आपको ये बताया उसी का डीप एक्सप्लेनेशन है कि ये क्यों होता है. मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में एक इजी एंड क्विक चीज बता दी कि जब भी डिनोमिनेटर में माइनस होगा तो आपको उसको न्यूमरेटर में माइनस लेना है, इतना करना है. बट आपको उसको डीपली समझना है तो वो मैं आपको यहां पर बता रही हूं. सो डिवाइड any positive integer by a negative integer. See here 7 upon -2. Here 7 upon -2. So what we have to do? 7 multiply by what? 1 upon -1. See 1 upon -1 multiply by 2. Because ये जो माइनस है इसको हम लोगों ने इसमें ले लिया, 1 upon -1 is equals to 7 multiply by 1 upon -1 multiply by 1 upon 2. Then 7 ones are 7, and here is what? Instead of taking 1 upon -1, we will take -1. अभी मैंने आपको बोला ना कि आप इसकी जगह ये भी ले सकते हो, इसकी जगह ये भी ले सकते हो. That means here we are taking, instead of 1 upon -1, only we will take -1. Then multiply by 1 upon 2. Now multiply this 7 multiply by -1, and 1 ones are 1. Then 2 multiply by 1, that means 2. So 7 multiply by 1 -1, it will be -7. 7 ones are 7, then minus plus minus. So 7 upon 2. ये कब होगा? To divide any positive integer by a negative integer. Understood? जब भी आप कोई पॉजिटिव इंटीजर को नेगेटिव इंटीजर से डिवाइड करोगे तब ये होता है. और आपको एक सिंपल चीज याद रखना है कि डिनोमिनेटर को पॉजिटिव करके न्यूमरेटर को नेगेटिव करना है जब डिनोमिनेटर नेगेटिव फॉर्म में हो. नाउ to divide any negative integer by a negative integer. See, here denominator is negative and numerator is also negative. So, इसका भी एक easy method मैं आपको बता दूं यहाँ पर. See, if there is -13 upon 2. जैसे आप ये नंबर्स काटते हो ना, लाइक दिस 6/2 -6/-2. सो आप कैसे डिवाइड करते हो? 2 1 जा 2, 2 3 जा 6. सेम आपको उसकी साइन को भी कट कर देना है, माइनस माइनस कट. सिंपल. सो व्हाट इज द डीप एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ दिस? -13/-2. That means 13 1 जा -1 जा and 2 -1 जा. Then -1/-1 multiply by 13 multiply by 1/2. So -1, see, -1/1 multiply by 13 1 जा 13, then 2. What? So 1 1 जा 1 and minus minus cut. That is what? 1 is remaining. So 1 multiply by 13/2. That means 13 1 जा 13/2. Similarly, verify that. See, -25/-4. That means 25/4. Minus minus will cut. -18/-2. That means 18/2. Then answer will be 9. Is that clear to you all? Now let's start the practice set 9. And one more thing you have to remember this one. When one integer is divided by another non-zero integer. Non-zero integer means what? जब डिनोमिनेटर में जीरो नहीं होगा, कोई दूसरा नंबर होगा. Non-zero integer, it is customary to write the denominator of the quotient or as a positive integer. What it is said just now, I told you about this one. Okay. Now practice set 9. First question is what? Here we have to divide. Solve this one. -96 divided by 16. That means this is numerator and this is denominator. Divided by 16. So how we will write? -96/16. Now divide it. If you know the table of 16, then you can multiply it directly. 16 1 are 16, then 16 6 are 96. If you don't know this table of 16, so you can divide it with a smaller divisor, which, so you can take 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8. 1 is remaining, then 4 4s are 16. Again 4 1s are 4. 4 6 are 24. So what is remaining? 6/1. And sign is also remaining because denominator में कोई sign नहीं है. That means -6/1. That means we can write -6. Have you understood? See the second one. 98 divided by -28. This is the numerator and denominator is what? In negative form. There is -28. So we will write 98/-28. मैंने आपको क्या बोला था? अगर डिनोमिनेटर में माइनस है, so what we will do? We will make the numerator negative. What? -98/28. Now divide it. कौन से टेबल के नंबर है? We can what? Divided with a small divisor. See like this. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. Then 2 4s are 8. 1. Then 2 9s are 18. 7 2s are 14. 7 7s are 49. That means 7 -7/2. What is the answer? -7/2. Got it? Now, third, fourth and fifth is your homework. Now I am doing the sixth one. Sixth one, -150 divided by -25. See, numerator is what? -150. denominator is what? Minus 25. This is what? Divided by minus 25. Now divide it by what? 5. So 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15. Then 0. 5 zeros are 0. Again 5 1s are 5. 5 6 are 30. Then minus minus will cut. That means answer is 6. 6 upon 1, that means only 6 you can write. Have you understood? Now remaining questions of this part is your homework. So you can do it very nicely. See the second one. Question number 2. Write 3 divisions of integers such that the fractional form of each will be 24 upon 5. What you have to do here, आपको ऐसे 3 डिविजन्स ऑफ इंटीजर्स देना है जिसका आंसर फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म जो है वो क्या होना चाहिए? 24 upon 5. See question number 2. What will be the fractional form? Each will be 24 upon 5. So first we have to take 3 examples. So first we will take 24 multiply by 1 and 5 multiply by 1. Then we will get what? 24 upon 5. That means 24 divided by 5. Okay. This is the first one. And if we take second one, 24 multiply by 2 and 5 multiply by 2. Then what we will get? 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Then 5 2s are 10. That means 48 divided by 10. When we divide this, so again we will get the 24 upon 5. Got it? 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. So here is asking what? You have to write 3 examples which we will get what? 24 upon 5. And the third one you can take same like this. 24 upon 3 multiply by 3 and 5 multiply by 3. Then 3 4s are 12, 1 carry, 3 2s are 6 and 7. Then 5 3s are 15. So 72 upon 15, that means 72 divided by 15. When you divide 72 by 15, so you will get 24 upon 5. Have you understood? Same thing you have to do in question number 3. Write 3 divisions of integers such that the fractional form of each will be minus 5 upon 7. Same thing जो है वो आपको इसमें भी करना है जैसे हम लोगों ने अभी किया है. Now see the fourth one. The fish in the pond below carry some numbers. Choose any 4 pairs and carry 4 multiplication with those numbers. Now choose 4 other pairs and carry divisions with these numbers. What you have to do here? See here. This is the what? Fish pond, and here's are the numbers in the fish box. So you have to take any 2 numbers and write the 4 pairs of multiplication and 4 pairs of divisions also. Understood? आपको ये फिश में से 2 पैर जो है वो नंबर लेना है, 2 नंबर्स लेना है और उसके आपको 4 पैर मल्टीप्लीकेशन के बनाना है एंड 4 पैर जो है वो आपको डिवीजन के बनाने. जैसे कि एक एग्जांपल दिया हुआ है, सी -13, सी -13 and -15. 13 multiplied by 15, 195, and minus will be plus. -24 divided by 9. -24 divided by 9, positive 9. So here is dividing with 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 8s are 24. So answer will be -8 upon 3. So you have to make 4 pairs. So first we will take, you can take any numbers in this fish. Okay. So question number 4. First we will take the multiplication pair. So you can take any number. Here if I take plus 12. Okay. Plus 12 multiply by -8. Okay, see here. plus 12 multiply by minus 8. So 12 8s are 96. Then plus minus minus. Understood? Second pair. This is the first. Second pair. You can take any number. Minus 18 multiply by minus 13. See, minus 18 multiply by minus 13. First multiply the numbers. So 234. 18 multiply by 13, we will get 234. Then minus minus plus. Then two more examples you have to take with your own. Now I am showing the division pairs. So take any number. This is the example of what? Pair of multiply. Third and fourth is your homework. You have to take any two numbers and multiply it. Remaining pairs. Now I am doing the division. So you can take any number. Minus 28 divided by minus 15, or you can take any number, minus 15 or minus 8. Okay, see, minus 8. That means what? Minus 28 divided by minus 8. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. Then minus minus cut. So answer will be 7 upon 2. Got it? Now see the second one. Second pair. Take any two number. Plus 12 divided by plus 9. Plus 12 divided by plus 9. Then 12 upon 9. See, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So answer will be 4 upon 3. Have you understood? So remaining pairs is your homework. So you have to do it by your own. So students, we have completed our lesson and exercise practice set also. In this lesson, there is only 2 practice set and which we have done completely. And remaining questions which I have not done, this is for your practice. You have to do it in your notebook, complete it. Now, thank you so much, students.